to Cats and a Monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. One day they got a piece of bread. While sharing, they make a big and small piece of bread. So they began to fight for the bigger piece. A monkey comes there and he saw cats are fighting for the larger piece of bread. So he decided to solve their problem. The cats also agreed with him. He bit the bigger piece to make it equal. Again it bits the other small piece to make it equal. Bit by bit he ate the whole bread and went happily. The poor cats lost the bread.
The moral of this story is, we must learn to share what we have. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.